Welcome to Cadence Learning. In this session, we'll learn how we can use conditional formatting to highlight content in one cell based on value in another cell. For example, here we have list of employees and their salaries are listed as well. We want to highlight those employees, those who earn their salaries greater than 65,000. For this purpose, let's select the name of the employee and then click on conditional formatting. Because this rule is new and is not covered in one of those categories, we have to make our own rule. And whenever we want to format a cell based on value in another cell, we'll have to use a formula to determine which cell to format. Now, there are two things. One is the condition and the other one is the formatting. Condition will be placed on a different cell and that cell is E2. And this cell contains greater than 65,000 as a value. And whenever this cell E2 will have a value greater than 65,000, this cell B2 is the cell that we want to format. Let's specify the format. We'll say that we want to fill this cell with this color, and for the font we want to apply it bold and the color we want to apply is red. Let's press OK and press OK one more time. You can see that the desired formatting is applied to this cell based on the value in this cell. But what our intent is, we want to apply this criteria for the entire range of cells. I mean for all employees. And for that purpose, we'll click on Conditional Formatting and click on Manage Rules. As you can see that this new rule that we have just defined is appearing under Rules. But take a look on this current selection. If we want to apply it to the entire sheet, we can apply it to the entire sheet, or if we want to delete this new rule and simply change the selection from here, we can apply that rule to this selection. Let's apply this rule to B2 to B500. And then click on Apply and then press OK. You can see that this entire range of cells has been applied that rule. If we want to clear or delete that rule, we can go back to Conditional Formatting, click on Manage Rules, and if we want to edit this rule, we can edit this rule over here. And if we want to delete this rule, we can delete this rule from here. And if we want to apply it to a different selection, we can click on this drop-down list and then apply it to this sheet or any other sheet. Let's take a look on certain other rules. If you click on this Conditional Formatting and then click on Manage Rules and click on New Rules, you can see that we have just used the last option. But if you take a look on this one, format only unique or duplicate values. If you select this, then format cells, duplicate is one option and unique is another option. So the conditional formatting can be applied either to duplicate cells, I mean the cells containing the duplicate value, or cells containing unique values. and then the required format for those cells can also be mentioned over here. You can learn more about conditional formatting by practicing on your own. And if you have any question, you can post it in comment section and I'll be happy to answer your questions. That's it for now. We'll see you with more videos on Excel.